Access the lecture slides and notes online after the class ends. Late submissions likely won't receive attention or thorough consideration. Thorough testing procedures serve to confirm the accuracy of factual information. To excel, you must practice a specific skill repeatedly and consistently. Online resources now allow viewing of school lectures anytime.